Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you chalupas and regular Taco Bell's tacos. So we're making chalupas, Taco Bell chalupas, and Taco Bell's regular tacos, soft and hard shell. Okay, so here's the oven right here. All right, so we're making 3 different type of tacos of Taco Bell's. Taco Supreme, chalupas, and regular soft shell tacos. All right, guys, stay tuned in and do not turn from this channel. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. What you're gonna need for these chalupas, I have some Greek pita bread right here. That's what this is. This is how it looks. All right. I have some tomatoes. We have some lettuce. This is butter leaf lettuce. We have some black olives. We got some jalapenos, and we got 4 different type of cheeses right here. We got some sour cream by Daisy, of course. You're gonna need some seasoning packs, Taco Bell seasoning packs. Can't have Taco Bell without having the sauce, right? So that's what that is. This is the hot sauce version of it. And of course you're gonna need some ground beef. All right, this is 80-20, and you're gonna need some hard shells. All right, and of course, like I said, here's the soft shells. You're gonna need some oil right here as well. This is regular vegetable oil. You're gonna need that. You're gonna also need a pan. All right, you're gonna need that to make the chalupas. You gotta fry these to make them crispy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start on our meat. All we're gonna do, let me just put this to the side so I won't contaminate anything. Okay guys, all you're gonna do is take these 2 seasoning packs. You're just gonna put these in, put this in here. And I'm gonna cook this till it's brown. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. Okay guys, I'm back. I just want to mix this up. I have to preheat my oven for my taco shells on 350. Put this in the oven, top rack. I just really want those to get warm pretty much, not super crispy or nothing. All right, now make sure you guys can see over here. All right, you want to take you some, warm this up. Like so. Put you some oil in here. Wait till that get warm up. Reason why it's smoking like that because I just cleaned this eye, so pay that no mind. All right, guys. When it's warm up, I'm gonna show you what we'll be doing with them pita bread to make the chalupa in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Meat is done. That's the meat. Turn this off. Take our pita bread. it in there like that. You just want to like fold it. Like that. Put it on this side. Don't let it go like I just did. Alright. Like that. Sit on a plate. Sit on a plate like that. And just continue the process. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'll do one more for you guys real quick. Since I already got it in there, right? I'm going to fold it like nice and gentle. It. Alright guys, we're going to complete the rest of these and I'll bring you back to the station and we'll put them together in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I already took the liberty to put the meat on there. I put like 3 tablespoons of meat in here, okay? That's what I did. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with our sour cream. Our lettuce. Start with our tomatoes. Just like that. Come in with our cheese. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, alright, that's that. So we're going to scoop this to the side and start on the soft shell and the hard shell. Alright, like I said, I already put the meat and stuff on there. Put a little sour cream on here. Alright, show you guys that one. And that's that one. Alright, this is my chalupa right here. Put this back here. And here's the hard and soft shell tacos right there. Alright guys, please give me a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. I'm out.